Good morning, students of class 10. You are welcome back to the e-classes now. Let us continue our lesson in English. We are doing Madam Rides a Bus, and so far we have reached how she enjoyed her journey while going to town, and whatever sight she had seen, she really loved it and she enjoyed. While going to town, she also saw the cow running right in front of the bus, and she really enjoyed and she laughed so much that tears rolled down from her cheeks. That we have learned. Now it is time for the bus to return back to the village. It was time for return journey. Now the return journey today we will talk about, and the last we will have only one point left now at her home. When she reached her home, what happened? Whether her mother came to know that she was out of her house and she got the scolding, or let's see what happened after that. First we will talk about the return journey. There are altogether very short, 7 points are there. Remember now, pay attention and listen carefully. It was time for the bus to return back to the village. So the bus had a fixed time to reach the town and from the town to return back to the village. So since the time was up, now it was time for the bus to return back to the village. And it was not a rush hour. It was afternoon. So Valli paid the return fare. Now we have already learnt that in the town she did not got off the bus. She stayed in the seat and paid the money for the return journey. And the conductor offered her a drink, but she refused. And even the conductor asked her, "Are you not afraid?" She said, "There is nothing to worry about. There is nothing to get afraid of." So she said in this way. So Valli paid the return fare then and there and asked for the ticket. So Valli asked for the ticket to the conductor. Number 2, she wasn't bored during her return journey. She did not felt bored because that was the main intention or idea of traveling on a bus, inside the bus. So she actually wanted to have a bus ride. So there was no question of getting bored. So she wasn't bored during her return journey. She had the same excitement as before. While coming to the town, she had the excitement. She enjoyed the scene. And the same thing, the same excitement was there. She stood on the seat and she looked around and watched everything outside. On the way back, while the bus was on the halfway, while the bus was on the halfway back, she saw the same cow lying dead at the side of the road. While returning on the way, she saw the same cow which ran in front of the bus before. While going to town, she saw the same cow lying dead at the side of the road. So there was blood all over and she was very much scared, and it was a horrible sight. It had been struck means dashed. It had been struck by some fast moving vehicle. The cow must have been hit by some of the fast moving vehicle, and the cow was lying dead. When the cow was alive, it was so beautiful and lovable. It provided enjoyment to Valli also. When the cow was alive, it was so lovable and beautiful creature. It was a beautiful creature, a young cow. It was not an old cow. But now it was horrible. Now it was lying dead, and the sight was quite horrible. Horrible means frightening and scary. Scary means if anyone sees, especially the young girls or young children, they will get afraid to see the blood all around. So it was a horrible sight and quite scary. After this sight, all her excitement vanished. After this sight, she had no desire to look outside because she felt very sad. The same cow was lying dead, and after this sight, she had no desire to look outside and enjoy the scene. So she was very sad also, and quite scared or afraid, and sat down on her seat quietly. She sat down quietly. She began to think about that cow. Finally, the bus reached her village at 3:40 p.m. It was still not 4 o'clock. It was 3:40 p.m. She thought that the mother must be sleeping. But mother was not sleeping. At that time she was awake. She was talking with one of her relative or aunts. When she reached her house, when she got down from the bus, a little away from the house or of the village, because she cannot get down right in front of her house because other people will come to know. So she was very clever in this field. When she reached her house, Valli had a great sense of satisfaction. She was very much satisfied because she had a great desire to ride the bus on the bus. So now she thought that mission accomplished, and thought that mission accomplished. Accomplished means finished, completed. She thought that my desire and my satisfaction or my goal has been completed, or I have achieved my goal. So this was the thinking she got after reaching her home. When she reached her house, Valli had a great sense of satisfaction, and she also thought that it was a mission and it was accomplished. So that was her bus journey, and the excitement she had. Not only that, she also felt very sad. There was a mixture of feelings. In the beginning she was very happy and excited, but later on she was quite sad and she remained quiet. All her excitement vanished at that time. So this was the bus journey, about the bus journey, and while returning home. And now in our next class we'll have the last point left, at her house or in her house. So when she reached her home, her mother was still, let me talk a little bit about, her mother was still awake. She was not sleeping. She had got up, and some relative had come to her house and they were talking. But mother did not come to know that she had been to the town for so long. Mother thought that she must be playing somewhere else outside, and now she has come. So mother never knew anything about this bus journey. While getting down from the bus, she said that she said goodbye to the conductor, and the conductor said, "We'll hope to meet you soon again. If you want to have a bus ride, please come. You are welcome." The conductor said, and said goodbye, and she reached home. And after that, she was very much satisfied that her desire was fulfilled. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class and continue our lesson about when she reached her home, what happened. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. So thank you for watching as well as your attention.